morning, y'all. Y'all hear them fans going off. We had a leak or something recently. But anyway, I have my coffee. I almost dropped my coffee. Hold on. All right, had my coffee this morning. Haven't had coffee in a couple of days. I've been trying to drink more tea, less coffee, but I needed it this morning. Y'all, look, there's so much. So we're getting our carpets clean, and I have to move everything off the floor in my office. This is gonna be interesting. I gotta move these toys. There are bags over there. Under my desk are more bags. That's a little cart. I have to move this stuff. And there's not much space to put any of this stuff. So I think I'm gonna get rid of those up there that were not even mine. I don't know where they came from. They were here when I moved into the office. So I'm gonna move those out and then store some stuff up top up there and try to figure out what to do. We have to move out our whole suite. So like move stuff on top of tables. I got stuff under here. It's a mess. But anyway, I'm gonna spend my morning trying to map that out, and then I'm gonna call families today, and then I need to finish planning. I have to do a presentation on the 12th, so I need to plan for that, finish my PowerPoint and my thoughts for that, and I got a meeting, and then I got the rest of the day to do what I need to do for family. So I'll holler at y'all. Hey y'all, I need to find a dolly because I need to put these things in the recycling. But I'm not about to struggle to hold them, so I gotta find a cart. Or not, because there's already wood here with a bunch of cardboard, so we're just gonna kindly place our things there. So I got lucky because there's a cart with cardboard already that someone's gonna take out, probably one of my male coworkers. So because they're the ones that usually take out the cardboard. So we're gonna just, nicely place it up there and let him take it out. I'm not really good at stacking things, so I think these boxes can fit back there, up there. So I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see. I think they fit pretty well. All right, y'all, I'm on my way to a meeting I have at 12, and then I need to come back. I need to get gas on my way back, and then come back to the office and finish prepping and cleaning, putting that stuff up off my floor, and yeah. All right, the day is now over for my full-time job, and now I'm waiting for 5:15 until because at 5:15 I go see my client. I have a therapy session to do. Um, and so in between, I'm talking to my best friend Meg. Y'all, she's hilarious. She leaves me stitches every time I talk to her. Y'all, I gotta come back to my office before I go home because I left my book bag here at my office, my other office. So on my way, then I can get on the road, go home. Y'all, it's been such a long day. Y'all, comment down below if you have had, like, if you have all the energy to do extra stuff when you get off of work. Because by the end of the day, I be so tired. I have no energy. And I went and got my blood levels checked a couple of days ago. And she just says I need more vitamin D. And I need, but my B12 was a little low, but she's not concerned. As concerned as she thought she was, because I guess she got back the rest of my blood work. But comment down below if y'all deficient in a vitamin of some sort, because I am, and your girl be tired all the time. Y'all, I think I'm gonna go plant shopping this weekend too, because I need something living in my house other than myself, and there no humans right now, so it's just me. So I want something that's living, like a flower. I don't want no dog because too much responsibility. And I'm not cleaning up poop. I just can't do it. If you're a dog, I can't do it. Babies are fine because after a while they're potty trained. They learn to change themselves, go to the restroom on their own. But a dog, they're cute, but I don't want to clean up no poop. So I'm gonna go find some flowers. I'm gonna get 2 plants. I'm gonna start off with 2. I go to Home Depot. Might also find a man while I'm there. But we're gonna go to Home Depot this weekend. Y'all gonna come with me. And I end my day with my evening walk like usual. Y'all, the remedy for me is to just get, as soon as I get home, put on my tennis shoes, change my clothes, and get out and walk. Don't sit on the couch. Don't get on the bed. Don't do anything. Don't shower and get in the bed. Just walk. I think I did 2 miles today. And that's it. Thanks for watching.